Over the past several weeks, as the second wave of COVID 19 has devastated India and patients are struggling against an acute shortage of medical oxygen, a clinical intervention technique called ECMO has entered the vocabulary of common conversation. What is ECMO? Its full form is extracorporeal membrane oxygenation. It is an extracorporeal technique of providing prolonged cardiac and respiratory support to patients whose heart and lungs are unable to provide an adequate amount of oxygen to sustain life. Robert Bartlett is known as the father of ECMO for his pioneering work in developing this machine. It is a life supporting machine. It is basically used during life threatening conditions such as severe lung damage from infection, so it replaces the function of heart and lungs. Why is ECMO used? It is generally used to help people whose lungs cannot provide enough oxygen to the body even when given extra oxygen. Lungs cannot get rid of carbon dioxide even with the help from a ventilator. Heart cannot pump enough blood to the body. Let's know how does it work. It's connected with the patient through plastic tubes called cannula, which are placed in large veins and arteries in the legs, neck or chest. This method is called as cannulation. The ECMO machine pumps blood from the patient's body to an artificial lung oxygenator that adds oxygen to it and removes carbon dioxide. Thus it replaces the function of patient's own lungs. This machine is controlled by a respiratory therapist with advanced training who are called as ECMO specialists. These machines are connected to to measure heart rate, BP and oxygen levels. An ECMO machine can help to save a patient's life, but it does not treat the injury that lead to the heart and lung failure. This machine supports the patient while he or she tries to overcome a disease or injury. If the disease or injury improves, the patient may not need support of this machine anymore. ECMO is only a life-sustaining treatment. It does the job of the lungs and hearts, allowing the organs to rest and recover when patients are incredibly sick. According to the Extracorporeal Life Support Organization ELSO, the technique could save up to half of the seriously ill COVID 19 patients for whom ventilation is not working. It is basically an artificial lung, so ECMO therapy is used to support critically ill COVID 19 patients with pneumonia for whom ventilation is not sufficient to sustain blood oxygen levels. There are two types of ECMO: veno-venous, which only supports the lungs, and veno-arterial, which supports both the lungs and heart. Of course, ECMO is not specific to COVID 19. It has been in use in all kinds of lung failure for decades. The ECMO therapy supports patients' bodies and allows them extra time to combat the deadly coronavirus.